Radicals. A radical is an atom of an element or a group of atoms of different elements that behave as a single unit with a positive or negative charge on it. Types of radicals. There are two types of radicals. One is basic radicals and another one acidic radicals. So what are the basic radicals? They have positive charge and also called cations. All metallic ions and ammonium ions are basic radicals. Here you can see the list of the positively charged radicals or basic radicals. Here is name of radicals, representation and their valency. So first one is hydrogen H plus, sodium Na plus, potassium is represented as K plus, silver Ag plus, ammonium NH4 plus, magnesium Mg2 plus, calcium Ca2 plus, zinc Zn2 plus, iron second Fe2 plus, copper Cu2 plus, iron third Fe3 plus, aluminium Al3 plus, gold Au3 plus, tin fourth Sn4 plus, platinum fourth Pt4 plus. Number second, acidic radicals. They have negative charge and also called anions. Most of the non-metallic ions and group of non-metallic atoms with negative charge are acidic radicals. Examples of acidic radicals or negative radicals are given in this table. First one is chloride. It is represented as Cl minus. As you can see, here is negative charge minus 1 charge, so valency is 1 only. Same way bromide Br minus, iodide I minus, hydroxide OH minus, acetate CS3COO minus, nitrate NO3 minus, nitrite NO2 minus, bisulfate HSO4 minus, bisulfite HSO3 minus, bicarbonate HCO3 minus, oxide O2 minus, carbonate CO3 2 minus, sulfate SO4 2 minus, sulfite SO3 2 minus, dichromate Cr2 O7 2 minus, nitrite N3 minus, phosphate PO4 3 minus. Ions. Electrically charged atoms or group of atoms formed by losing or gaining electrons are called ions. For example, sodium chloride is a molecule formed by the sodium ion and chlorine ion. So how ion will be formed? Generally the atom is neutral, but what will happen if it will lose or gain electron, then charge will be in the atoms. So here you can see Na is giving 1 electron to Cl. So what will happen? Na will gain 1 unit positive charge and Cl will gain 1 unit negative charge. Now sodium atom will become sodium, that cation, and chlorine atom will become Cl minus anion. So now electrostatic force of attraction will act between them and it will hold them together. So NaCl will form. Difference between atoms, molecules and radicals. Atoms. An atom is the smallest particle of an element which may or may not have independent existence, where a molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound capable of independent existence, made up of one or more than one atom of same or different kinds. Radicals. A radical is a single atom of an element or a group of atoms of different elements behave as a single unit with positive or negative charge on it. An atom represents all the properties of that element. A molecule represents all the properties of that element or compound. Oppositely charged radicals combine to form molecules of compounds. Na and Cl represents atoms of sodium and chlorine elements respectively, H2O and CO2 are the molecules of compounds water and carbon dioxide respectively. H2 and O2 are the molecules of element hydrogen and oxygen respectively. Cl minus, NH4 plus, SO4 2 minus ions are the radicals of chloride ion, ammonium ion and sulfate ion respectively. NH4 plus and Cl minus are the oppositely charged ions which can combine to form a compound ammonium chloride. Thank you.